Welcome to a short video episode on how to reset your laptop or desktop computers. So if your laptop has begun to slow down, you probably start to wonder, does resetting my laptop will make it faster? Well, today we're going to find out exactly that. Resetting, or a factory reset as it is also known, returns your laptop to its out-of-the-box settings and configuration. It gets rid of all programs, files, and applications that are not native to the operating system. So once your operating system doesn't have to deal with any extra load on startup and during normal use, it has complete and unrestricted access to your laptop's resources. Thus why it tends to run and feel a lot smoother after a reset. Here are the steps. Step 1. Click on the Windows Start menu icon. Step 2. Click on the Gear Settings icon. Step 3. You will be greeted with a new window like this. Step 4. Click on Update and Security. Step 5. Click on Recovery in the left-hand side menu. Step 6. Under Reset this PC, click on Get Started to begin resetting your laptop. Step 7. From here you have the option of keeping your files but removing your installed apps, or removing everything. Choose the option you want from here. For me, since I already back up the important files, I will choose to remove everything. Removing files includes all the programs, applications and files stored in the computer. And the operating system will be reinstalled during this process. As you can see, the computer is getting things ready. Please wait a minute because it will not take a lot of time. In reinstalling Windows, I will choose Local Install instead of Cloud Download. Local install is advantageous when your internet connection is not stable in your location. After clicking Local Install, you will be prompted again with the additional settings. Of course you can customize it based on your needs. Once you are done changing the settings, just press Confirm. Then click Next. All you can do now is watch as your computer is resetting itself. Resetting will take several hours, please be patient. You may notice that the computer may restart, but don't worry, it is just normal. You may fast forward this video. You may fast forward this video. You may fast forward this video. Thank you, and I hope you learned something from this short video tutorial.